Hi, I'm Bryson Cole with Reflective Pro. And today we're going to be demonstrating how to install our reflective chevron diagonals. First, you're going to want to find or create a straight edge. In this case, we're going to use the bottom of the door. In other cases, you can use a roll of tape. Next, you're going to want to mark dead center, which is where your design will begin. This is how you'll receive the product. There will be 6 diagonals and then a 4-inch and 2-inch spacer. The kit is designed where one piece can be a right-hand slant or a left-hand slant. Now the good thing about this material is that it's actually repositionable. So if you put a piece on and it's not quite how you like it, you can just rip it off and then put it on again. So here we're using our 4-inch spacer, and so all you want to do is put the spacer on next to the piece, so then when you apply the next piece, it just goes on like so. And if you want your pieces closer together, we also provide a 2-inch spacer. In this kit, you'll receive 6 pieces, but in the case of this Forerunner, we'll only need a portion of the last piece, as you can see right here. What we'll do is we'll apply it and then we'll trim off the excess. At Reflective Pro, we also offer this product in a 2-color kit. So after applying your first color pieces, the second color pieces should fit right in. The great thing about this product is that we use Oralite V98 material, which comes in 7 different colors, which creates 42 different color combinations. Those 7 colors are fluorescent lime, fluorescent orange, red, white, blue, green, and school bus yellow. For more innovative reflective solutions, check out our website, www.reflectivepro.com.